Hello students. Now this is question number 5 of exercise 13.2 of class 9 chapter surface areas and volumes. This is the question I have taken from the NCERT. Yes, and for the previous question you can see my previous videos. Yes, now let's read this question. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. See, the cost they have given for 1 meter square, the cost is 12.50. Yes, so let's understand with the help of a figure. Yes, now for example, this is this cylindrical pillar, yes, and the diameter is 50 centimeter. Yes, this complete diameter is 50 centimeter, and the 3.5 meter is the height of this cylindrical pillar. Yes, now find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar. As you all know that I have already explained you for the what is the curved surface area. Suppose for example this is the pillar. So this portion, that curved portion is called we need to find out for painting for the curved surface area. Yes. Now not the bottom one, not the upward surface. Yes, so we need to find out the cost of painting for the curved surface area for this pillar, and they have given the cost for the per meter square. So it means that we will find out we will do our calculation in meter square, in meters only. Yes, in the meters unit. Now height is already given in the 3.5 meter, but the diameter is given to us in a centimeter. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 50 upon 2, that is equal to 25 centimeter, or it will equal to 25 upon 100 meter. Yes, when we divide by 100 we can convert this centimeter into meter. Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. These are the small things that you must know. Yes, now curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is equal to 2 pi RH. So we just simply put the values 2 into 22 upon 7. We will take the value of pi 22 upon 7 unless and until it is not given 3.14. Yes, and the radius 25 upon 100. Yes, into height is already given in the meter. Yes, so 25 1 is 25, 25 4 is 100, 3.5 is that is 3.5. As we know that 7 5s are 35. Yes, now multiply 44 into 0.5. Yes, 44 upon 4 also 0.5. Yes, so 4 1s are 4, 11, so 55.5. 4 1s are 4, 11s are 44, 11 into 0.5, that is equal to 11 5s are 55, and one decimal will come from the one right hand side to a one digit. So it comes with we have meter square. So this is the curved surface area of the cylindrical pillar. Yes, now we have to find out the cost. For 1 meter square the cost is given 12.50. Yes, so for 5.5 meter square, so cost of painting will be equal to 5.5 into, for 1 meter square that is 12.50. So instead of meter square we will write 12.50. That will equal to 68.75 rupees. Yes, quite simple. This is very simple question, but because here why I have taken this question, because in this question we need to find out the cost. Sometimes few students find it difficult. For that I make it clear. Yes, so it is quite simple. We simply need to multiply the cost when we find out the area, just for if it is given for the 1 meter square, we simply we need to multiply this. Yes, I hope it is clear. Yes, thank you, students.